What's good? I'm Tech with Corey, and today let's jump into these iPhone cases from Benks, right? And if you don't know, you should check Benks out, and we're going to jump into why. But in my humble opinion, Benks makes the coolest and unique cases on the market right now, right? They're different, and the plus is their DuPont Kevlar strength, right? So they're minimum and 100% DuPont Kevlar, which is a lightweight aramid fiber, which is trusted by aerospace and military applications, right? So you got protection there and you got a cool and unique look, right? So let's jump into it. We got different cases here, but we're going to start with this Armor tent. And like I say, this is DuPont Kevlar, right? 100%. So it's that 600D weave. So it's sleek, minimum, ensuring rugged, long-lasting protection, right? So let's check this one out right here. And when you get this one here, this one is blue in color, right? So like I tell you, they're unique, right? With the unique cases. So when you break this down, this is very unique in this color. Like no one else has a color like that. But this weave here is sleek, minimum, and it feels good in your hand, right? In this case right here is just 1 millimeter thin. The thinness is 1 millimeter, and it's about 19 grams. So very light, and it's sleek, and it's going to give you protection without adding any bulk to it. And if you look closely here, it's raised up with this camera protection. So you're going to prevent scratches and impact if you were ever to drop this, right? It has the built-in magnet, so the MagSafe is pretty good. And you're all set, right? And it has all the cutouts here. Everything is wide open on this case right here for you. The bottom has the cutouts right there. And you're good to go. So this is the Armor tent, which is cool. And like I say, built-in Kevlar, all the cutouts are there. This blue in color, they have a black one also. But this blue is what I went with because I like to have something different. And when you look at comparing the two right here with that blue and with my silver color of the iPhone case, I think it pops really well and gives you that pop, right? So this is the first one here with the Armor tent, which is pretty cool looking. And like I say, 100% DuPont Kevlar, right? So let's get into the next two, and you look at these two right here. They're the same kind of case, but the only difference is the design. So this is the Prestige and this is the Aurora. And the cool part about this Aurora one is that it was designed from the Northern Lights, right? So they put some creativity into their cases. And when you look at these right here, pull this open. And this right here, like I say, made from the inspiration was the Northern Lights with the Aurora. And when you look at this, check it out. Move all this out of your way here so you can see it a little bit better. So if you look at this one here, it's still 100% DuPont Kevlar, right? The cool part is they put a finish over these to prevent smudges from your hands and that. So you will get, like any case, you get some little marks on it, but they have a coating on the back of these that prevent those smudges, right? So if you check this one out, it has all the buttons here. It has the cutouts at the bottom, camera control button on the side right here. It has the raised camera piece so you won't scratch your camera. If you drop your phone, it's protected on that. So precision crafting here, overmolding technology, so it's flexible. So when you put this on, it's going to have that shock absorbent and you're all set, right? But you look inside, you got the magnets there. Everything is all there, right? And this here is the Prestige, same kind of case, just a different design. And I couldn't choose which one as far as the cases go because they both look pretty cool. But like I say, very unique. You don't see anyone with these kind of cases, right? And if you look at these two right here, more greenish here to more brownish right here. Both are cool looking and different looking. So it depends on what you're actually going for, right? But they got the camera control button on them. They got the MagSafe. The magnets are very strong. So all the MagSafe pieces work with it and you can't go wrong, right? So look at them here. Let's put the phone case on. Let's take this off right here and let's put the phone case in this one, right? So if you look in the inside, you got the magnets right there. Boom, push this in. It snaps right into place, right? And so if you're checking this out, that hits with that silver in color with the silver bezel there and the Northern Lights look. So you got bluish greens and all of that in here. Bluish, the green, the gray. It looks really cool. And if you look at precision cutouts, right? Cutouts at the bottom, perfect. Buttons here. When you push a button on the side, buttons go up, volume down with no problem whatsoever. So buttons push well. The bottom here has the cutout so you can get your USB-C in there if you need to get that. And now we'll put a magnet on here. Magnet goes on the back. The magnet is strong. So one of the strong magnets they have on here. So nothing's going to fall off if you use the MagSafe. And you can't go wrong with Benks, right? And they got different cases here. And like I say, this is the Prestige. This is the Aurora. This is the Aurora tent. If you want something more smaller and more thin, but neither one adds any bulk to it. You know, if you look at the two here, clearly this one is thinner than that one. But you got the open cutouts on the side. So it really just comes down to preference. If you want something really lightweight, neither one adds extra bulk to your phone. So it just really goes down to what you're looking for. But when you're wanting something that's cool, unique, 100% DuPont Kevlar, right? And that's the big thing right there. That's the DuPont Kevlar that's got you covered with the 600D weave. So minimum, sleek, aesthetically pleasing, and rugged, long-lasting protection and preventing fingerprint smudges. So if you're like me and want something different and unique when it comes to cell phone cases, you should check out Benks.